John chapter 8 and verse 44. Did you know how serious this matter is? Jesus is speaking to the religious crowd, and these are individuals who've been educated. They've got all the degrees behind their name. They have the approval of the people, and they are leading the people. But God himself, Jesus says this in verse 44 of John chapter 8. Ye are of your father the devil, and the lusts of your father ye will do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and abode not in the truth. When he speaketh a lie, he speaketh of his own, for he is a liar, and the father of it. The devil is a liar, and he's the father of it. In other words, he promotes it. He spreads it around, lies. And he's the father in the sense that he is the authority in the life of the unsaved person. Now, you say, well, I'm my own person. I make my own decisions. I do what I want to. But if you're not saved, your father is the devil himself. And he has plans for you. He has plans for you. You know what his plan is? He knows. Listen, Satan knows where he's going to spend eternity. He knows that. But he's going to take as many people with him as he can. He's going to take as many people with him as he can. And he used any means at all. He doesn't go by the rules. He has no regard for you or me. He has no compassion. He has no feelings. He has an agenda. He has a goal. And that goal is to destroy souls in hell. He knows he's going there. He knows it. He knows the scriptures. He knows. And so, in his last gasp, he's going to take as many people with him as he can. And he uses any means possible to keep people from Jesus.